once more for this celebration. I want to let us know that this is just introduction. We have a lot of this today. We have a lot of this. This step that we have program. You are going to see more. The more you see, the more you see. The more you see them, the more you are happy being here. They have just presented this wonderful program. When they were dancing, I was asking myself, why is it that Africans do not organize cultural dance competition here in Finland? Because we have wonderful dancers. But this is a way to showcase our culture. This is a way to tell our people here that we have a beautiful culture there in Africa. Because they have been looking forward to have this more. I wish that after our meeting here today, we will start something like this. Because it's a big respect for that continent, Africa. We have this culture. When we see us perform, we are natural. We are always natural in our performance. You have just seen it now. You have just saw it. They have just presented it. This is raw cultural dance from Africa. So we thank you guys so much. And while we are waiting for other performance, keep on asking yourselves.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I think we are moving on very well, and we are moving in the right direction. And as I see here with your faces, I can see we are all living, and we are all looking forward to something greater. This is just the beginning. You know,